Yo, morning. You're here, bro. Osaka. Landed yesterday and did some street photography. And I'm gonna do another street photography today with my cousin, bro. Look at him. Yeah, boy. Japanese brother.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Japanese brother. Ano yan dito? Yung hello? Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Yeah, so we're here at Osaka, bro. Gonna do another episode of street photography. But we're going to Nara today. Yeah, we'll see what we can get. Let's get it. No, naintindihan ba? Bahala ka dyan. Alright, so here are some of the shots that I took on the way to the train station. By the way, if you are new to this channel, welcome. Now, if you do need a preset, you can send me a DM on my Instagram. And also, please consider subscribing, following me on my Instagram, and let's get back to this video, bruh. Harap to gago. Kanina pang babae pala yun, ninukuha namin, bawal pala lalakad. Alright, so let me just say this, guys. So my plan for this channel is to grow. Obviously, I need your help, so please do subscribe and follow me for more videos. My goal is to do this full time, and I want to travel the world, and so with that, with your help, I can definitely make it. So please consider subscribing. Thanks. So I took these photos here. Nothing really special to it, but I just like the vibe. What do you reckon? By the way, this will be our last station going to Nara Park. So it'll probably take us about an hour and a half or more than that to get there. The temperature is 11 degrees and it feels like 2, so it's really cold, but who cares, eh? Let's get it. Kala namin naliligaw na kami, putang yan.
Kala ka mali. Fake news.
Fake news lang. Alright, so just letting you know that the street called is Sanjo Dori Street. So all you need to do is go straight and it will take you to Nara Park, bro. Easy. It's cold as fuck, man. Let's go get a coffee first, bro. Fuck. It's cold outside. Jeez. Bro, we are here at 7-Eleven. Look. Bro, egg sandwich, rice, noodles, omelette. Siyempre, haluin mo pa ito, buddy.
Tinakpan mo na agad. Nagay mo na tayo na... Narahanap tayo ito guys.
Ah. Let's take a photograph of this person. Alright, so this is probably my favorite shot out of every shot that I took. I just like the vibe into it. It's nice and clean. What do you think, bro? Look at that vending machine, bro. So one thing about Japan is you will see these vending machines almost in every corner, bro. So the word thirst doesn't exist here. Nabibidyo lang yung Honda gaga.
Yan ba yan? Ano na spare tire yan bro? Ang hirap yan pag naplatang ka dyan. Yung spare tire. N-ban yan, N-ban. Kumbaga, pag naplatang ka yan, so ibabaw mo kasi ano yun yan. Ang hirap ng galing yan. Ito maganda, ganda gusto ko bilhin mo.
Guys. Maganda Alfred ah.
Mahal masyadong apart.
Right. All good, all good. No worries. Bro, look at that. Look at the line, bro. Fuck. Mochi balls. Ooh. Let's go. Alright, so here are some of the shots that I took in this area. And just letting you know that there's a shop here that is known for making mochi balls. There's a lot of people who's taking a video and, you know, it's just very busy and I couldn't get a shot as you can see here. Yeah, they smash the mochi balls manually, bro. It's amazing. I can't really see it. Bro. That's a temple. Castle? Temple. Alright, so here we are at the temples. So growing up here, it's free. So obviously you don't have to pay for it. But there are some certain temples that you have to pay an entrance fee to get there, but it's not that expensive. And I'll just show you some of the photos that I took in this area here. Alright, so this photo looks like it's on the piss, and this next photo will be the vending machine, bro. What else? Right, so from here we've decided to enter one of the temples. Like I said, it's not that expensive, so you can definitely come and check it out. Unfortunately, you cannot take videos and photos what's inside, and we have to respect that. Alright, so right after that, we've decided to go to Nara Park, but first we need to eat. So we've decided to come and chill here in the bus stop because it's raining anyway. And we are going to eat the food that we bought from 7-Eleven. It's called onigiri. Yeah, it's a bomb, bro. It's cheap, bro. It's tuna mayo, bro. That's the best one for me. But hey, look, this is the first part of the video. I'll upload the second video next week, and I'll see you there. Thank you for watching.
Alam ko lang oil cracker.
Yung isa dito, ano?